Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Mission Options. In my last video, I mentioned about advantages of option sellers. Option sellers can give collateral to the exchange. They don't need to pay cash. And many people ask me, what is collateral? And I'm going to explain that in this video. And because many people have asked this doubt. Let me give you one analogy to make things easier to understand. And let us say I am manufacturing mobile phones and you are coming to me and telling me, Mr. Sundar, every day you give me 100 mobile phones. One mobile phone is 10,000 rupees, 100 mobile phone is 10 lakh rupees. So, you give me 100 mobile phones every day worth 10 lakh. I will take it to my hometown and I will sell it for 10 lakh 50,000 and then come and give you the money so that I can make 50,000 rupees profit. So, can you give 100 mobile phones to me? Then I tell you, okay, I can give you 100 mobile phones to you. You go to your hometown, sell it, come back and give me my money. No problem. But one question, what if you run away with that 100 mobile phones? Then I lose my entire 10 lakh rupees. So that is the risk I'm carrying. At the same time, if I say no to you, then I lose business. If not me, you may go to some other mobile manufacturers. If they give you, then I lose the business. So I don't want to lose the business, but at the same time, I don't want to carry this risk. So I can give you one suggestion. And look, you want 100 mobile phones every day? It costs 10 lakh rupees. I can give you, no problem. But I'm worried that you may run away without paying my money. So what I'm suggesting you, if you have got 10 lakh rupees, go and put that 10 lakh rupees in bank fixed deposit so that you get the interest. Your money, it is there with your bank and your bank will pay you the interest. And then tell your bank manager to give me an assurance that every day the 100 mobile phone I give it to you, you will be going and selling it and honestly will be coming and paying me the money. And in case if you cheat me, you run away with my 100 mobile phone, then your bank manager will close your FD and will pay that money directly to me. So this is called banker's guarantee in financial world. So in this arrangement, it is a win-win situation for both of us. I am getting good business. At the same time, I am not worried that you will run away, because you run away, the bank will pay me the money. So it's a win for me and it's win for you because your money is in the bank and you are getting the interest. At the same time, you are doing a business with me. So here, the bank is giving me assurance that in case you run away, the bank will pay me the money. So that is called banker's guarantee. Your money of 10 lakh rupees which is lying in the bank, okay? So the bankers are giving banker's guarantee to me because they are having your 10 lakh as collateral. So collateral is something you give and you are entitled to get the interest and still you can do the business. So the same way in stock market, a buyer buy an option, a seller sell an option. But seller carries unlimited risk, and if there is a loss, if the seller does not pay the loss, if he run away, so that is why exchange is asking huge margin money. But instead of giving that huge margin money to the exchange, what I can do, I can go to a bank, I can put my money in bank a fixed deposit, and I can ask my bank manager to tell exchange, Mr. Sundar will do the option selling. Whatever is the loss, if there is any loss, he will pay the losses promptly. In case if he failed to do it, okay, we will close Mr. Sundar's FD, we will pay money to the exchange. So in this case, my bank FD is given to exchange as collateral. So exchange needs a guarantee that you will not run away when there is a loss. What exchange is going to do, even if I pay the cash, and they are going to keep it in current account only. So they are also not going to get any interest. So that is why the exchange says the option seller need not pay the cash for margin money, they can pay through collateral. So in the example I have explained, is fixed deposit is the collateral. The same way mutual funds can be given as collateral. Many people in India, they do not know that mutual fund can be given as collateral. Mutual fund can be given as collateral. Equity shares can be given as collateral. Government securities can also be given as collateral. So if you want to know, if you have some instrument whether that can be given as a collateral, you can check with your broker. But I can show in NSE website where you can see what instrument you can give as a collateral. So if you go to nseindia.com, you go to products, equity derivatives and current market report, you can see haircut for approved securities. So if you click on this file, one Excel file will be downloaded, but in my computer I don't have Excel, so it's opening in as a notepad. So there it can tell you what are the shares you can give as a collateral and what is the haircut percentage. And not only that, if you click view all daily reports, okay, just before haircut for approved securities, you can also see the haircut for mutual funds. So the biggest advantage for option seller in India is that they can give equity shares, bonds, mutual funds and fixed deposit as collateral to the exchange, and still they can do selling of options, and of course profit and loss is different. So it is similar to the example I have given where you keep your money in bank FD and you still do business with me. So I hope I have made the collateral points very clear. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.